Hi, friends. Uh, Welcome to Think, Always Be Rational. Today, we are coming with another interesting topic, why neem and people trees together are worshipped, right? So, this is, I don't know how many of you know, but I mean, seen. But I mean, at least I personally seen many times in temples and all where we have neem trees and people tree together being always worshipped, right? So we'll talk about that, all about this tradition practice today. Okay. So what we observe on day to day, right? I mean, we see these trees together in temples. They are pretty big, and you put people go around of the trees by praying them, right? And you do pradakshina, that is like going around that for a couple of rounds, right? And also a lot of people say that the people tree is called Vishnu, and then neem tree is Lakshmi, so they are always together, and that's God creation, right? And and have the do puja for that combination, right? And people also like say there's a myth around all these things apart from the puja, right? They say that they should not plant these things together, rather like they should come up wherever it is, and then like from there they should be accidentally coexist, but it should not be man-made, right? So this is something, and then we'll talk about more on these trees, okay? But these are the typical observations I do have seen, and I was always thinking why this need to be done, right? So so when I started researching around these trees, right? And I found that very interesting facts, right? Especially trees like banyan, people trees, and neem tree, right? They are releases oxygen even during the night. Okay, so everybody, we know that trees typically take carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen, and but during the nights, right, when the photosynthesis is not there, or trees go to kind of a sleep, then they release carbon dioxide. But the interesting fact is these three trees, banyan tree, maple, and neem trees, right, always release oxygen. I mean, though the quantity of oxygen during the night will be less, but still they release oxygen, right? They give the process called Craslucian acid metabolism, CAM. Through that process, they release the oxygen during the nights. In the morning, it's a normal photosynthesis, right? So this is a very very important thing, that you always get an oxygen around these trees, right? And uh, and both these trees are so big that typically grow pretty huge, and they always provide a shelter, right? Around a temple, if you have those trees, that will create a shelter for you to, whoever is coming there, they can sit and take rest under those trees. That's another point of view to look at those trees being around the temples. And when you go a little more deeper in a scientific nature, that these trees have been heavily used in the Ayurveda. And I mean, from the, at least forget about people, but at least people, majority of us know that neem trees are pretty good medicated plant, and we use the stem to be to be used for teeth cleaning and all, right? So it's a pretty I think I have to do a separate video altogether for neem tree. But I think people tree also called as ashwatha in Sanskrit, and this has been used in many treatments like gonorrhea and diarrhea, dysentery, and neurology and inflammation, etc., right? I mean, so it has been across the board. It is a pretty good Ayurvedic tree, which has been used in Ayurvedic medicines. So these definitely, all these good qualities of these two trees definitely make a, like, give a lot of benefits to the human beings who are around those trees, right? Yeah, and so coming to treating them as a god, yeah, I think we know from our ancient times, like rishis and all, they tried to uh, mm, the instances, or the, like, any other an entity in the world, right, whichever makes it whichever, like, useful to the mankind, they make them as a god, so that people don't forget them, and people give enough respect to those things, so that we always take care of them, right? And I don't want to go more of a mythology here, but pure looking at a science, I think definitely this is going to be a good combination of the trees, right? And then again, the other myth which like people talk about, like, coexisting of these trees should be accidental, but not like, it should not be planted. So I mean, typically, I look at, I don't have a very great answer here, but I think what I see is the if you wanted to really people start thinking this, these are, like, Vishnu and Lakshmi, and if they started planting these trees in their homes, right? And that will be a problem, because people tree grows pretty big, and that roots actually grow such a big that it can damage your house foundations, right? So even if you look at, right, even if I'm not sure, like, if you have been observed, people tree, whenever it is been observed in your backyard, or near to house, immediately people pluck it out and throw it away, okay? Though we consider them as a god, because I think this has a stronger roots penetration, and it grows such a big, so it can always damage your house. So that's a reason behind, probably, that they don't want to get this planted, rather, like, wherever it is gets coexists, or, like, at a temple or some place, they do puja, but independently they typically still grow neem tree in the houses, because that doesn't have the so much penetration of the roots, right? So I think probably it could be, I mean, additional reasons, but I think this is what I think could be the reason, okay? So I think, having said, has all this, right, I think the trees are, these two trees are, like, great assets to the mankind, and like, we always give them enough respect, and what are the possible way, I think we have to grow them, right? Neem, I think you can always grow them at your backyard, and it gives fresh air, and the breathing of the neem air itself is I think cures lot of your respiratory diseases, right? And people tree, I think you can help always grow it. I think it's a king of trees, and it grows big, so always it provides a shelter, so it's a good forestry tree, so always you can get that grown wherever there is enough space to grow. I think we should grow these trees, okay? And it has its own medication of the medicated nature of the products always help us, okay? So with this, I think I'll conclude. I think you, I think, could take away something from this video. If you like, share the video, press bell icon, subscribe to our channel, more interesting videos to come. Thank you.